Whether you're a student or someone looking to make more money, these 7 side hustle ideas are for you. For most of them, I have done and made money from them, and I'm going to show you how. You need very little or no capital to start them. See, if I knew most of these side hustle ideas back when I was a student, wallahi, by now I would be unstoppable. How much is money? Watch to the end, because if number 1 doesn't work for you, number 7 could be the money-making machine you've been looking for. In this financial family, we are all about making and growing our money, investment, side hustle, passive income. If that's the kind of things you like, you should be hitting that subscribe button now. I am Financial Jennifer, a chartered accountant, an investment banker, a chartered stockbroker, but most importantly, your money cheerleader. Okay, let's get started. The 7 side hustle ideas perfect for students or anyone with little capital looking to make more money. Number 1 is assignment assistants. I'm going to explain. So you know how students, primary school, nursery school, even secondary school students, they always have assignments to do, and most students do it in a way that a parent is needed to guide them for those assignments. Some even have somewhere you will sign as a parent when you've assisted your child with the assignment. But the truth is that most parents are busy. They don't have the time. They go out to work, they come back, and then they still have to stress over their children's assignments, right? So how about you step in and save the day here? See, I know a lot of parents willing to just pay for you to leave them alone. So how does this work? For some people, I see people doing this. Some of them, they create a WhatsApp group with the parents. The kid will be there, using the parents' phone, or for some of the children that already have their own phones. So at the end of the day, when they come home with the assignment, they snap it and send on the WhatsApp group. The tutor can get on call with the student. Sometimes they can do it via Zoom, right? You guide the student. You are not doing the assignments for them. You are basically doing that which the parents would have done. Okay, what's the answer to this one? If a kid is struggling with it, you help them to figure it out, and you make your money. Some people do this on a retainership basis, that is, they are paid monthly, and you can do it for as many families as you can. There are people willing to assign this to you. How can you get clients for this? You belong to organizations where there are mothers, there are parents. Talk to them, let them know that you can assist their children. So talk to people in your area, talk to people in your network. And online tutoring, you can even take it a step further to teaching the students holiday lessons and all of that, but that is story for another day. For this one is assignment assistance. You need like 30 minutes, 1 hour, you are done with one family. You can do 3, you can do as much as you can, and at the end of the month, you are getting paid from this family, from that family. That is a lot of money for a student. Let me know if you are going to try this out, but if it's not your thing, don't worry, we still have 6 more side hustles for you. Number 2 side hustle you can try is drop shipping. This one I have done and made so much money from it. Let me tell you my story. I used to sell hair. So back then I was in Owerri, but I was buying hair and selling to people mostly in Lagos. How do I do it? Drop shipping. So what I did was to go on social media, Instagram to be specific. I found some pages that sell hair. You can talk to them if you want, and then you pick their pictures, you start posting. And if you're even in a major cities where you can enter the market, a lot of these vendors, in fact, if you enter the market, they want to be asking you, we have pictures, so are you selling on Instagram? Or some of all of in fact, they're the one calling you to come and sell market for them. So you can even go to the shops, make content by yourself, snap, make videos and post. You are not buying. Your own is to post and find customers. Now when someone wants, they're going to pay you. Of course, it's paid before delivery, right? They pay you and you pay your supplier. If you are not in the same locality, if you're not able to go and pick the item, don't worry about it. For example, me, I was in Owerri. So what I will do is to pay the supplier, give them the address of my customer. They will deliver it to the person direct in my name. I don't even have to see the article. I don't have to see the item at all. So that is something you can do. Location is not a problem. If you are in a mega city, like I said before, good for you. If not, use social media. But first of all, you have to pick a fast-moving item. Most times, women-focused items sell market well. Just find something that you think people are going to like to buy. Find the vendors for it. Create a page for it. Start making content. Start posting. See, a lot of all the shops you see on Instagram, now dropshipping, everybody they do is packaging, right? And person, when you test that dropshipping you do, they're the ones to know. So this is a perfect way to make so much money. Or you decide the profit you want to make. Then I can buy a hair for like 15,000 and put it up for 20,000. 5,000 is my profit, right? It's a good side hustle for you as a student because you don't have to spend so much of your time on social media. You can just post, do small engagement and go. You can even talk to your fellow students. content or talk to the people in your area about your business. So definitely consider drop shipping. There is so much money to be done there, and that could be the start of a big empire, because that's how some people start, and before they know it, they have enough money to start buying their own goods, start importing, even rent a shop if that's what you want to do. Please like this video if you've not. Thank you so much. It means so much to me. Thank you. So number 3 is content creation. I know you've had this so much time, but my dear, it is because there is money there. There is money in content creation, and right now you are still in school, you have a lot of time. I know students have time. You can create content about anything, but even make it better. You can choose a niche. What is that topic that interests you? You think you can make content on it. Everybody must not be a comedian, but if you are funny, no problem. But if not, it can be on anything. Even as your life as a student in Nigeria, in whatever country you are, can be your niche, can be content. One of the biggest YouTubers I know here, the guy, he was a medical student. He started from creating content, you know, as a medical student in Cambridge, some hustling school, and his YouTube channel, and now he has over 5 million subscribers. That guy is very big in the industry, but he started in school. So yeah, you can make content around anything. Are you a beauty kind of person? Your hairstyling, makeup, even teaching. Yeah, you can teach people how to use social media, how to even finance. If that's my own niche, finance, business tips, whatever it is that you know how to do, you can start creating content around this. There's so many ways you could make money from this. Number 1, people can begin to know you. Before you know it, you don't become influencer. Other people can call you to make content for them. That is also another way to make money. You can teach your own classes, digital product. That is even the highest one. So please, content creation is something you must not sleep on, because that is one economy that is blowing up right now. You say that everybody is creating content. Don't worry, there is still room for you. So go on and check what content can you make and start making. Pick a platform. You can use Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, whichever platform works for you. But if you can get on YouTube, that is actually amazing, because they pay a lot of money. TikTok as well. So pick a content niche, pick a platform, and start creating. Number 4 side hustle you can start as a student is thrift wears or kirika. Oh God. If you know the kind of money in this business, this is one I have personally done in the past. Let me tell you the trick. If you can specialize on one type of item, back then for me it was blazers, right? So we know you for blazer. Some people can be like dinner gowns, some can be like sports wears, and you know, if just choose one that people will know you for, and trust me, there is so much money there. Back then, I used to go to, if you're in Lagos, if you go to, what is it called? Arena. Yeah, there's a lot of Arena, back in Arena, or there's another one. Even in Yaba, yeah, you can get so many clean trips. You don't even have to start with buying a bill. You can go and pick. Then we used to go and pick for blazers for 500. That's what we were picking. But we were selling 3,000, and trust me, then we were even the cheapest on Instagram. 3,000 naira, something we picked for 500. So no, you don't have to start with bill. Go inside the market, pick up these things, but please present them very well. Iron them. Don't come and be selling or be one of these people that will just be snapping very dirty looking. No, iron them properly. If you don't have a manicure, no problem. I was not even using a manicure. Just spread it on the floor, curve it very well, snap it, clean picture, and post, put price. See, when it comes to fashion, women, whether we eat or not, we must wear clothes, right? And then if you have good eye of picking nice things, why not? Your fellow students could buy from you. You could also sell on social media. So thrifting is one business ideas a lot of people are neglecting, and there is so much money in that business. I think I have a previous video about this topic. You can check it out, passive income ideas, where I talk in details where you can sort all of these things, how you can start and all of that. But there is so much money with thrifting business. Number 5 business idea for you is social media management. So during COVID, I always talk about social media. Back then on Facebook, I teach people how to use Instagram. You know, there's something I noticed. Facebook people, Instagram too, they tire them. Just the way Instagram people, Facebook used to tire them. So I've just been teaching business owner with my innocent mind, though, how to grow followers on Instagram, the right time to post, the right way to use Canva to design posts. I'll just try to be making this post. Before you know it, people will now be like, Jenny, please, can you just help me and do this? And I want to pay you. Come and manage the page for me. See business idea. Then I started, I think back then I used to charge like 15,000. Then I moved it to 20,000. That was back then, no. And I did like up to 5 different businesses at the same time, because we were all at home. COVID was hitting everybody. There is nothing to do. And I'm like, there is so much opportunity in that space. And the truth is that you don't even need to know anything special. You already use some of this social media. The same thing you do on your page, or go to YouTube. What I did then, I went to YouTube. Once people started asking to pay me to manage for them. I went to YouTube, how to use Instagram, how, Instagram stories, hashtags, all of those small things. I would now specialize, studying them very well. The best time to post, the best format to post. Just take YouTube and, in fact, just search social media management. There are so many videos that will teach you the things you feel you still need to know, because you already know most of these things. It's not having time to like engagement, right? As a social media management, followers is not your business, but at least you also want to make your employer happy, help them engage in the pages that will bring them followers, pages that have their potential customers. But it is basically posting, writing tangible, engaging captions. So social media management is one big opportunities. I know there are a lot of agencies that run this, but you as an individual, how do you get clients? Go and talk to business owners, right? Reach out to business owners. You can start with small pay. Like, this is what you could do for them. If possible, optimize your own page so that when they look at the person talking to them, they know that what you've done for yourself, you can do it for them. So let's say you talk to 10 people. There's no way at least 2 people will say yes. In fact, you can offer for free for some of them. You can reach out to someone and offer to work for them for free, maybe for 1 month. So you can use them as referral. When you are done, you can tell people, look at this page, I manage it, and even them, they can decide to retain you. So pick up your phone, go and learn more about whatever platform you want to use. Even YouTube, I think that are some creators that need YouTube people to handle their YouTube page, the comments on their pages, and things like that. But most times, most people do Instagram and maybe Twitter, even TikTok. All of these are places you could help business owners to manage. There is good money in that niche, trust me. So have you found the right business idea for you? Don't worry, we have 2 more left, and if you've not liked this video, please do that. The 6th business idea for you: event planning. Let me tell you the full gist of how I did this back in the university. So you know how there are so many parties for students. We have freshers night, graduation, even the big boys and big girls in birthday parties. There is always something to do. Departmental night, this and that. So one day I'm like, wait, but it paid me that it was towards the end of my stay in school that I thought of this. I'm like, I could actually help these people organize these parties. So the first thing I did, I schooled back in Owerri, IMSU. I went around most of the hotels that I know they usually use for parties. I talked to their owners. If you see me introducing myself, hi, I'm Jennifer, an event planner, this, that. I want to know the rate for their hall. They will tell you the rate. You not tell them that you have a lot of clients, so that they should tell you the discounted value, both for hotel, both for the rooms, and you will get discount. Let's say if your hall is 500k, based on you've packaged yourself as an event planner and everything, they can tell you this, okay, 400, 350. So can even offer you free room, package all of these things, have all of these venues intact. Now I started reaching out to DOS, Director of Social. That was what it is called back then in my school. Started reaching out for them like, oh, when did you have your next party? This is what I could do. I could help you get discounted hall rates, get this one. What it entails when it comes to party. Students now is the DJ. I find contacts of different DJs, MCs, get their contact, just full package, and then this is my service charge. Number 1, the fact you are getting them discounted venue and even discount on some other things they need for their event, food as well. I have the contact of some food vendors, just basically everything they need for their party. You give them the quote on their own. They're going to spend this, but when you come in, this is what they're going to spend, and you take the stress away from them. Find different exciting ideas since they can do in the party to make it seem so attractive. I spoke to governmental and departmental head, their DOS, even hostels, because hostels used to do their parties, and many of them were happy to bring me on board. God, that was a very beautiful moment in school. But like I said, unfortunately, I was already leaving school. But as a student, this is something you can consider because you are in the environment already. These parties are happening. Maybe nobody is doing it in your school, but you can be the first. But do your homework first. Get discounted rates for them in these different aspects they need to throw their party, and start talking to people. Trust me, you start from school. Before you know it, you go further to other events, people's parties, naming ceremony. There is money in the event industry, but it is tasking. The last business idea I will recommend for students is video editing. Jesus, do you know how much I spent on video editing? Even this video you are watching right now, I pay someone to edit it because I don't have the time. And there are so many content creators, so many YouTubers, influencers. Their own is just to make time and create this content. They don't have the time to come and sit down and start editing the videos. I have a 9-to-5 as an investment banker. I have a community, Fin Tribe. By the way, Fin Tribe is a women-only finance community. Over 8,000 women from all over the world saving and investing together. Membership is is totally free. I'm going to leave the link on description. If you're a woman, you should check out Fin Tribe. Trust me, these women are doing amazing things. This year alone, we've saved over 1 billion naira. Women in the economy, you say that is hard. Anyway, so there's so many things are happening in my life. I don't have time to come and be editing videos. So when I do YouTube videos, I have someone to edit them. When I go to events, I need someone to capture the moment, edit the videos for me. There are so many opportunities with video editing, and you don't even have to spend money to learn. Just come on YouTube. You're already here on YouTube. Search for how to use this one to edit. There are free platforms, the CapCut, the InShot. You can use edit. The lady that edits for me, she uses her phone. No, she doesn't have a camera, right? That does some of my, maybe when I get an influencer gig to do videos for them, I like to call someone professional to come and do it. And I pay her, she comes to my house, we do the video, she records and go. And even the person that is editing my YouTube video, you're not in the same place. I just shoot the video, I send it to them. So location is not a problem, but there is so many opportunities with video editing. How can you start? Talk to YouTubers. I get a lot of emails from people asking to edit my video. That's interesting. If I need their service, I could just look at one and reply them. So talk to content creators, talk to YouTubers, talk to influential people that attend events, because most times they want to cover the event, maybe they're speaking, engaging at the event, engaging with people, but they don't have someone to capture these moments for them. Capture them, talk to them, sell your services, and trust me, there is money to be made. You can charge from anywhere. Some people charge maybe 20k, 50k, depending, 100k. I know people that charge more than 500k per video, right? This is something you can explore, and I hope you make so much money from this industry that has a lot to offer. So which of these ideas is going to work for you? But I have so many other videos on passive income ideas. Just in case if you feel like you've not seen something that matches you, or you want to explore other ideas, I'm going to leave them in the description. Just go to the description right now. Watch other passive income ideas, side hustles, business you can start with little capital. Watch the videos.